Another one, guys. Error workshop leave vehicle only when select lever is in position P. So here are the things that I faced and what this could possibly mean also for your vehicle. Uh, AI already on Google tells you it's your gear lever or probably the micro switch in it. But from what I found, that's not the case. It can be a few things. Well, this error light just means there's something wrong with the car. Your car is giving you a soft launch into problems. So don't don't ignore it. It means something's wrong and it just needs an OBD2 reader to tell you what it is. So you need your mechanic for this one. So if your car is showing this light, this is some of the lights, or rather the reasons I got, and I hope this helps you guys out. And the first culprit, the EPC light, the legendary VW Chris, I guess. But on this one, it was not that bad. It was just a clogged throttle body, didn't need the whole change on the thing. That could also mean ignition coils or just spark plugs or maybe something with the brake pressure sensor. So on my side, it was just a dirty throttle body, which just needed throttle body cleaner, and that was sorted, and the light went away. So that could be you. That's your fix, hopefully. And the second light that showed up was the brake servo failure. This one, at least for me, was just an intermittent error. I think it's because of the battery, but that can also come with like a hard brake pedal or a hissing sound, or maybe it's just a crack vacuum line on your side. But thankfully, on my side, it was just the car acting up, and yeah, just restarting it took the light away, and I never got to see it again. So yeah, hopefully that's you as well. Third but not least, the error light that no one wants to see on their VW, error gearbox. This could simply mean that you just need to top off your transmission fluid, or it's just showing that the fuel transmission fluid level is low, or your mechatronic unit is done for, or there's potentially something wrong with your gearbox. On my side, this is what the car was doing. And that was my mechatronic unit giving problems. Thankfully, that went to Road Angels SA and that was taken care of. But yeah, all started with an error workshop light.
Another day, another check engine light. At least we know what the problem with this one is.
And that's our fourth one, guys. The check engine light started with an error, workshop error, and then escalated to a check engine light. At least we knew that which one that was. That was for the patch valve. I uploaded a video on how that went down, and that was sorted for, yeah, a good 1,000 Rand. But yeah, that could be your problem for that error workshop put car or live car on P. Yeah, that one. And last but not least is the actual reason that everyone says the error comes on, which is the gear lever switch. Uh, that was never the problem with me when that light came on. When the OBD2 reader, it never showed this error light that it's supposed to, or this error code that it's supposed to give when it's the gear switch. So yeah, on my side, never had a gear switch problem, but guess what? I bought a gear switch thinking it was a gear switch because of Google. So I hope this video helped someone out that that error light just means something is wrong with your vehicle. And it could be the list of things I went through here, or a certain list of things that maybe just your car is going through. But I hope this video helped you to just not go and buy a switch like I did, and not even use it at all because that was never the problem. But yeah, those are the error lights that came from the initial error workshop light. I hope this helped someone. And if there are some errors that your car did put on after it threw that error light, please put them on the comments, share, and let's help the VW family, yeah, fight this VW plague. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.